Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. In this 1-minute episode, we're exploring the incredible Doppler effect. Ready? Let's dive in. The Doppler effect is the change in frequency of a sound or light wave due to the relative motion between the source and the observer. When an object emitting sound moves closer to you, the sound waves get compressed, resulting in a higher pitch. As it moves away, the sound waves stretch out, causing a lower pitch. This effect isn't limited to sound, it also applies to light waves. When an object emitting light moves towards you, the wavelengths compress, shifting towards the blue end of the spectrum. Moving away stretches the wavelengths, shifting towards the red end. Understanding the Doppler effect helps us interpret shifting sirens or changing colors of celestial objects. It reveals insights into motion in our universe. That's a wrap for our 1-minute journey into the Doppler effect. Thanks for joining us. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready for an enlightening journey through the wonders of the universe, 1 minute at a time.